Okay, hi everyone. So I didn't really get to film in the car out of respect for my family. They don't actually want to be put on YouTube, but I am here. So this is my bed. It's covered right now, but yeah, and that's Bella's bed. But yeah, so I'll give you like some shots of like the different areas, like where we are. You'll see like us driving. I could only get a couple of shots just because I didn't want to, like, none of my family want to be on YouTube, which fair enough. But yeah, so you'll see on Christmas Day I'll film like with me with my presents, a couple other things that we're doing, and all that, and then I'll be going back down to my mum's, and yeah, so yeah, just wanted to little PSA. But yeah, I couldn't film this morning because it was really early, and I also couldn't film in the car, just out of respect for my family, because they don't want to be on YouTube, but that's okay. So yeah, you'll see little clips throughout the day, and then you'll see on Christmas and whatever, but yeah. I'm coming! Hey everyone, so sorry I didn't really get to film yesterday. It's just out of respect for like my family and stuff. But yeah, so we're doing a little setting up today, so I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. So here's the fireplace. Bella, yes, is a big fan of Harry Potter. But yeah, so we've got all our Christmas stuff organised. But yeah, so we're just doing a little bit more setting up, and I'll show you what that looks like later. So yeah, prepare to see a montage of that. I'll give you a little tour of the Christmas room. So here's our alcohol. We have a pinata this year, Frosty the Snowman. We actually made that. Then we have the coffee table. Sorry, I'm eating chocolate. This is one of our 3 tables. So that dining room table over there, that's gonna be like all prettified. And then there's gonna be a table out there. For everyone, because we're just changing it up this year. Here's where all the food's gonna go. All the presents that are already under the tree. These are all my presents that I'm giving everyone. We have our little Santa. We have this as well. And we also have a lot of games, so this is one of them. It's how many biscuits are already in there. And everyone writes their answers down, and then at the end of the night, like, we have the final answer, and then who's ever closest wins all of them, which I hope I win, because I love Nanny's biscuits. And then, yeah, so got our little dancing tree, which doesn't have batteries in it. But yeah, so we've basically prettified our lounge room at the moment. And these are, I'll just show you mine and my brother's. These are our baubles that we had personally made. Now, if you live in Australia, you would know that you can get baubles made with like glue, like glitter glue. And we got all of them made when we were younger. So I'll show you mine. So this one's mine. It's two-toned and really pretty. I'll show you Levi's. This one's Levi's. His is really pretty. I love Levi's. I don't know why it's out of focus. There we go. So there's Levi's. There's mine. But yeah, so we all have different ones. I actually made ornaments last year, and Bella has hers there. So that's Bella's Christmas. It's a real Christmas tree. We get one every year. But yeah, so this is a little, it's so pretty. But yeah, you'll definitely see some on Christmas Day. You won't see a ton of footage, but you'll see me with all my presents, and I'll give you a present haul and all that. But yeah, so yeah. The ping pong table out, we've got the chairs out, and we've tried to pressure wash the outside, like the veranda. But yeah, so we've got the dartboard we're gonna set up later, we've got that we're setting up later, we've got the coffee over there, alcohol for the adults. We've got our little thing that goes into the kitchen. We have a lot of Monstera plants, and then we've got the fireplace all set up and looks really pretty. And then yeah, I'm right now in, oi! In, move that way. In the rabbit's room, and I'll show you what our rabbits look like in a second. So this is Nugs. This is Nuggles. She did have a good friend named Splash, but she passed away a couple of years ago, so that was very sad. Hi. She's a lot bunny. We've had her for like years. And she's so cute. Hello. I'm just giving you a boop. Ready? Boop. They're so cute. Lot bunnies, I swear, they're the cutest breed of rabbit. It's on the rare occasion she uses that. But yeah, so this was Splash's old cage. And so we've just connected them so she's like a really big cage to go into. Snuggles! But yeah, she'll just walk around. She's so cute. We've got a lot of pets, actually. Oh, hello! Sure, I've never seen her sit in the cage before. Are you gonna come out? Oh, she's out. Yeah, so we built a little like cage area for her. Oh, hello. She loves giving like boops. You're so cute. Okay, I'm gonna head off. Oh, 1, 2. Bye, Nux. And this is our dog, our sheepdog, Jaxie. Jax. Jax. Come here. Come here. Hello. So this is Jaxie boy. Jax, let's go. No? What are you doing? Oh my god, there's flies everywhere. Yeah, so that's Jax. So yeah, I'll show you, we're actually gonna go get the cool room, and I'll show you what that looks like when it's, you know, out into the backyard. But yeah, you'll just see like little clips of different days. You'll see tomorrow, you'll see Tuesday, which is Christmas Eve. I'll give you a little vlog for that, and then I'll give you a vlog of Christmas Day, and then I'll be going home Boxing Day back to my mum's, and then you'll see a full vlog of that, and I'll get all my presents there. And then yeah, that's basically my vlogmas for the year. We're not doing anything for New Year's, I don't think. I don't know what we're doing. But yeah, so yeah, but you will just see montages of different things that we're doing and all that, because I can't film everything out of respect for, you know, family and all that, because I don't want to be put on YouTube. It's privacy reasons. But yeah, so I will see you guys in the next clip. We got the tent set up, so that one's Bella's, that one's mine, and that one's James and Will's and whatever. So yeah, we got all the tents set up, but yeah. Sorry guys, I forgot about an intro. So not much going on today. We just got the cool room yesterday. It was Christmas Eve. I cannot believe it. So exciting. So yeah, we're just chilling by the Monstera. I think that's how you say it. I'm right now playing Hogwarts Legacy because I got bored. So, not a lot going on today. I don't know if we're going fishing or not. Don't know. But I think we're gonna go tomorrow. I know that Kathy and Alex and their kids are coming up, so we'll see them, and then everyone's coming up Christmas Day in the afternoon, so yeah, so you may see a vlog on Christmas Eve, you may see a vlog on Christmas Day, I don't know. But yeah, I'll catch you up later. Good morning, Nucky. You're sitting on the obstacle course finally. Hello. Oh, good morning. She's so cute. Aren't you? No! Bloody trying to fly my jumper. I'm off. Bye, Nugs. Bye-bye. Look at this. It's the coldest kind of comfort that we could talk, but we don't. We spent summer swimming in a sunset haze, color, crazy how fast it fades. Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but it can't call you cruel for changing your mind. I still can't. We got the poles. We got the poles. Got them. Now we're going to fix the issue at hand, which is my slanted slack. Gotta love an amazing sister. Okay, so this is the one that's broken. Jackson! Now I gotta get the new poles. This is really annoying because the poles broke, which I don't know how that happened. Probably some trunk thing that Dad was doing. Jackson boy! I don't know who broke it. Someone broke it. There's a caterpillar on my swag. Okay, actually, before I put that in there, let's put this through here first. Hello? Hello from the other side. Okay, there we go. Got that through. Now I gotta put these stupid little pegs in. I hate these. Come on. Come on. Ah, there's an earwig. Gross. Oh, there's a spooter on my thing. Do I care? No. Come on. Gotcha. Just these last two on this side, then I have to do the other side. Cool beans. Okay. Grab this. Grab the rubbish. Grab you. Let me show you what it looks like. Give me a second. It's not slanted. It's better now. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay, so we've decided to do the duck. Bella's getting the supplies. So what do we need to do first, Bella? Sorry, I'm very snotty. It's cold today. Considering it's meant to be summer in Australia. There's Nuggles. Making a racket. Let's go. Don't bring the dog! Jackson, Freddie hate each other. Oh, by the way, that's the name of the duck, Freddie. Bella thinks that they're gay. I personally don't. Yeah. Oh, by the way, look at our amazing property. Like, look how pretty that is. Like, there's the shearers' quarters. That's where they stay when they're shearing. Because shearing takes a very long time. Storage shed just there. We don't really go in it just in case of snakes. What? I have not seen Freddie since summer of last year. And holy shit, he doesn't even look like the same duck. Like, Dad rescued him. He's not even like a pet we got from a pet store. A pet store? A pet store. Oh, there's Levi! That's Freddie. He looks so different. When I saw him the first time, Really? Oh god, here we go. Okay, I'm going around the other side as Bella instructed. I don't know what she's doing. Hi, Freddie. What up, bro? Opening this up. Mind you, it's a massive sock. Like, that's basically what it is. Except it's got backing onto it. So, we're going in. Fuck, it stinks in here. Oh, it's very dusty also. 1, 2, 3. Ay, ay, ay. You want to what? Back off. Piss off. Can you get him to like go away? Piss off, Freddie. Can you get him to go away from the steps? Jax is folding. Bella, please.
I'll whack ya! Come on! Come on! No! Let me pat you! I got him! Be proud of me! Oh, his feathers are soft! Yeah, I know. Hey, Ducky. What up, Fred? Jaxie loves it. Don't spray it at me! Freddie, look, turn around! Look! No? Yes, maybe. I can't tell. Freddie! Come on! Come on! Get a bit close. Don't spray me! Come on, you wuss! Come on! Freddie, go to the water! Dude's got a mohawk. Come on! Go this way! Come on, Freddie! Oi! Hey Bella, can you help me out here? What? Can you help me out?
Come on, Charlotte. Come on.
Come on.
Try pat him. Pick him up.
Yeah, pick him up!
Oh, Charlotte, just pick him up. Oh, I literally picked him up before.
Yeah, you did.
I did.
I watched him.
Yesterday I did. Come on, you dog. Wait, cut it out.
Hi, Charlotte, come on, let's go.
Just pick him up. Come on. Content, 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 content.
I got the duck! I'm not! I know!
Oh, he's not right. Hello, Freddie.
Oh, is that nice?
What does he do with his... Hey, Levi. Levi, can you quickly just film so I can scratch it? Thank you. It's content. Shut up. Hi, Freddie. How's it going? You're a big boy.
You're getting yourself a heart attack, Jackson. I know.
Look at him.
Get him.
Alright guys, we gotta get Jax out of here before he has a heart attack.
Look. He's having a ball.
Miscommunication, silence in between. One more awkward conversation where we don't say what we mean. We've been distant, waiting on the ice to break. Can we fix this if we get out of our own way? Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we tried. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a downhill dive. Can't call you cool for changing your mind. I still can't.
Okay, for context for what we were doing, we basically, the cap, like, clicker thing that you're meant to pull and come off this drink, for some odd reason broke. And I decided to do that trend that was on TikTok and try and cut it off with a knife. So yeah, that's basically what we were doing.
I'm gonna smash this thing! I did something. Where's the gun? I did something! No, don't fizz all over me. Okay, let's go. No! I got it! Fuck yeah, that worked! That's scary. Okay, I'm gonna take the glass out of the grass now. Oh my god, I cannot believe that worked! I am so happy! What the fuck? That actually worked! That is sick! I'm so happy about that. Okay, let's go inside. Dude, that's scary.
Dinner's ready. I cannot believe that that worked. I didn't even grab a fucking fork.
I'll go get it. You watch this.
They're not only vampires who make the rules.
And the Dompier Guardians, sworn to protect against our enemy, the Strigoi.
I look like a fucking macaroon.
Now, you're the princess. Heavy as that, thin as that. Rose of anyone looks like a macaroon, it's me. They're beautiful.
We look beautiful, so let's tell you. What's funny?
To all citizens of the Dominion, on this, the eve of my 200th birthday, and my last as your queen, I thank you. You have traveled far and wide, leaving the safety of your provinces to come to the celebration here at St. Vladimirs. We all know the dangers that lurk outside our gates. Our Strigoi enemy is strong, and we are strong. And under the protection of our Dampier guardians, we are safe. So let us have one last festivity together. Because after nearly 2
Okay, explain this to me.
Okay.
What the hell is Strigoi?
Alright, there are two types of vampires. One is a Moroi who are alive. Alright. Strigoi,
So like mortal.
yeah. Strigoi are immortal.
Mm.
It's nice to see you too, Jesse.
He's a prick, that one.
You will be head of the Dragomir family now. I hope my father can come to know the
Also, this is big on politics.
Jesse,
Of course, there's
honestly, the political stuff is on your slate.
all vampire stuff is always political. Why are they in red fucking cloaks for?
To stop the blood from getting everywhere. It makes it less noticeable.
So, do they have to drink the blood to stay alive like in most vampires?
Yeah.
So that's why they have like feeding chambers.
Any successes soon? I have some plans.
I don't know. And this is Jaxie, even though he's facing the other way. Okay, so the way this game works. Oh my oh, my bed's so warm. I've got the warmer on, so my bed's really warm. I am wearing clothes, just pointing out. So the way this game works is I'll ask you a question. Sorry. I'll ask you a question and you have to name whatever I ask. So example, name a fictional place, but that fictional place cannot have a specific letter that I say is it like, yeah. Okay, so name a food. Okay, wait, actually no, I'll say the letter. So D. And name a food. Okay. Name a country. Piece of clothing.
Hat.
Name a dog breed.
Shelby.
Fuck. State in America.
Texas.
Fuck. We're gonna say Dallas, Texas. I was like, haha, got you there, bitch.
Name.
That butterfly's bugging me because it's not even.
I know.
Bugging. Because it's a butterfly and they're bugs.
Okay. Okay. Give me a holiday. Give me a holiday. Give me a holiday. Wait. Right face.
Okay, I'm done.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I got to 19 there. Name. Name a holiday.
Christmas. I said supernatural movie.
Yeah, there actually is a movie of it.
Bullshit. And that has an M in it, by the way. Academy. Oh my god. Honey, are you sure that you got the academic award?
Shut up, I got it. You got
again.
Yay.
You were about to say yeah again.
Alright, come on. Okay.
Name a more iconic duo than Twink. And a redhead. A twink.
Okay.
And a redhead.
Alright.
Look at him. Like, this is what he's doing.
Show them.
Sorry. Give me a second. Look at him. Look at him. He's so cute. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Good morning, everyone. Guess what? It's Christmas Eve. It's Christmas Eve. So today we're going to be doing a little bit more setting up. My sister is coming a lot earlier than everyone else, so she's been coming down with her kids, which is really exciting. But yeah, so look at this. Look at that. And the Christmas tree, there's already some presents put out because like they're from Dad and Jess, and from the rest of us we have the dartboard and the... I saw boots and it scared the crap out of me. And the pinata. I'm so excited. Say good morning to Nuggles. Good morning, honey. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. You have nothing you can chew on this time. Hello. Hi. She's so cute. I can't even see her. Let me turn around. She's so cuddly. Hi. No. No. Little fluff ball. Here's a little fluff ball. Don't. No. Don't you try and bite my toes. Ugh. Hi. No, not the toes. Don't chew on my phone. Don't you chew on my phone. I'm gonna head off. You have fun. See you, Lexi. Oh, okay. Got rabbit hair up my nose. Oh, it smells so clean in there. I don't like it. Okay, hi, so it's been a bit. I've just had a shower, and yes, I'm doing heatless curls for Christmas tomorrow. It's because I want to look good. Don't judge me. They're not the greatest, but you know. Who cares? I can put them up in a claw clip if they don't work out good, but just have to unplug my hairdryer. Give me a second. But yeah, I'm so excited for Christmas tomorrow. I just can't get over how quickly it's gone. It's gone so quickly. But yeah, so I will be trying my best to vlog tomorrow. It's going to be a bit hard just because like my entire family's coming over and I don't know if they want to be filmed or not. It just depends. But yeah, I will 100% see you guys tomorrow. I will definitely vlog. I'm going to leave the vlog here for tonight. It is currently Christmas Eve, so the next time I'll be vlogging is tomorrow, which is Christmas Day, which is so exciting. But yeah, I will see you guys in, you know, the next couple of hours or so. But yeah, Merry Christmas to everyone who celebrates it in Australia, so that's on Wednesday, and Merry Christmas to everyone who celebrates it in any other countries like America or Europe who may either have Christmas yesterday or on Thursday. So technically for them it's a Wednesday, but you know. Yeah, but yeah, so anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, so I will continue filming tomorrow, and then I'll film Boxing Day, and then I'll be at my mom's, and then you'll see vlogs of that. But yeah, I'll give you a Christmas present haul, and yeah, Merry Christmas everyone. I will see you tomorrow morning. Good night.
Can't call it love.